William Shakespeare was a man whose words have survived for more than 400 years. Even today, his stories are read, performed, and adapted all over the world. People quote his lines in movies, books, and everyday conversations, often without knowing where they came from. This raises an important question. Why does Shakespeare still matter so much today? William Shakespeare was born in 1564 in a small town called Stratford-upon-Avon in England. Very little is known about his childhood, and many details of his early life remain unclear. He did not come from a wealthy family, and there is no clear record that he attended a university. Despite this, he went on to become the most influential writer in the English language. As a young adult, Shakespeare moved to London, which was the center of culture and entertainment at the time. There, he worked as an actor and began writing plays for the theater. The theater in Shakespeare's time was extremely popular, attracting people from all social classes. Shakespeare quickly learned how to capture the attention of his audience. He wrote many different kinds of plays, including comedies, tragedies, and history plays. His comedies often explore love, confusion, and human foolishness. His tragedies focus on ambition, jealousy, revenge, and inner conflict. His history plays examine power, leadership, and the rise and fall of kings. Some of his most famous works include Romeo and Juliet, a tragic story of young love and fate. Hamlet is a play about doubt, responsibility, and the struggle to take action. Macbeth shows how ambition and greed can destroy a person's mind and soul. Othello explores jealousy and betrayal, while A Midsummer Night's Dream celebrates imagination and romance. What makes Shakespeare truly special is his deep understanding of human nature. His characters are complex and realistic, not simply good or evil. They experience fear, love, anger, guilt, and hope, just like real people. Through these characters, Shakespeare shows us the contradictions within the human heart. One of Shakespeare's most famous lines is, "To be, or not to be." This simple sentence expresses a deep question about life and existence. Rather than giving clear answers, Shakespeare encourages us to think and reflect. His plays ask questions that are still meaningful today. Shakespeare also had a great influence on the English language. He created or popularized many words and expressions that we still use. Phrases such as break the ice, heart of gold, and fair play all come from his works. His language is poetic, but it is also natural and emotional. Even in modern times, Shakespeare's influence continues. Many films, novels, and television shows are based on his stories. For example, The Lion King was inspired by Hamlet, and many love stories follow the pattern of Romeo and Juliet. His works cross cultural and national boundaries. William Shakespeare died in 1616, but his voice has never disappeared. Through his plays and poems, he continues to speak to new generations of readers and audiences. He reminds us that while the world changes, human emotions and struggles remain the same. That is why William Shakespeare is not just a writer of the past, but a writer for all time